Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to secure your Gmail from hackers. If you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe to channel and click the bell icon for our new updates. If you do not know how to make Gmail, so I have given the link in the I button and in description. Now open your Gmail and then click on Security option. You can see now the signing into Google. There are two options, you have to enable them both. If you enable them every time, you will get a notification that someone is logging in your Gmail. If it's you, then press OK, and if you are not, then press no. What it will do, log out the other person from that device. Now click on Use your phone to sign in. Read all the instructions carefully and then press Next. Enter your Gmail password. Now it will ask you to set up your Gmail on your phone. You can sign in to any Android or iOS phone. After sign in to Android or iOS, it will automatically show your device here. I have added the Gmail to my phone and you can see that. After that, you have to add a recovery phone number. I have not given the number, but now I have extra number. You have already given the number when you sign up the Gmail. If not, so now you must have to add number. Now after adding number, click on Next. Again, click on Next. You will get this type of pop-up and press Yes on your phone to verify it's you. After pressing Yes on your phone, it will automatically open this page. Now click on Turn on and come to back page. Click on Yes. Click on More ways to sign in. Click on Enter your password. Type your password and click on Next. Click on Continue. Click on Text Message and click on Send. Now you will get a code on your phone and type the code here and press Next. Click on Turn on and it done. Come back to the security page. Now it all done. But you can also control the devices connected to your Gmail. If you see an unknown device, then you can log out the Gmail from that device. Click on any device and it will open a new page where you can see all the devices connected to your Gmail. If you want to remove the device, click on the arrow. You can see the location of the device and click Sign Out To, and your Gmail will remove from that device. If you learned something new from this video, you are free to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for more interesting videos. I will meet you in my next video, so till now keep practicing to be pro in your life.